Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to share with you a new and exciting nail art technique using our Glam powders and gel products. As always, start by prepping your nails. Push back cuticles and lightly buff the natural shine. Wipe the nails with alcohol to remove oils and filing dust. Next, apply the gel polish base coat as neatly and carefully as you can. Remember to use very thin layers. Take your time as there is no rush with applying gels. Unlike normal nail polish, the gel will not set unless placed under an LED or UV lamp. Cure for 30 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Grab the white gel polish White Dreams. This will be our background color for the design. You'll need to apply 2 thin layers. Remember, make the layer as thin as possible. Cure for 30 seconds in a Rossi LED nail lamp. Repeat the second coat. If you make a mistake and polish goes onto the skin, don't panic. Just correct it before curing. Sweep the excess polish away without marking the nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Pick your favorite Glam powder shades. This technique works best with very bright colors. In this video, we will use Heaven on Earth, Summer on My Mind, California Beach, Lady in Pink, and Palm Trees. You will also need a sponge applicator or a fluffy brush. Rub the applicator against the top lid of the dip jar or dip it directly into the powder. The lid of the jar is where most of the pigments naturally settle. Dab your nail to transfer the color onto your nails. The gel polish has a tacky, also called inhibition layer when it's done curing. This is a key to adhering to the color for this technique. You can apply 2 or 3 colors onto the nail depending on what look you are going for. The blend between the colors doesn't have to be perfect as it won't be too noticeable with this design. It's very important not to touch your nails after they are done curing to not disturb the sticky layer. It's a good idea to test the powder on a swatch stick as not all of the Glam powders will work for this technique. Keep dabbing the powders onto your nails to cover the entire white gel base. After you are finished and happy with the result, wipe away any excess powder with a kabuki brush. Next, you'll need a small piece of tin foil to act as a palette. Mix Rossi top coat with White Dreams gel polish in a 1:1 ratio. This will allow us to create a sheer jelly-like version of the color. In this tutorial, we decided to go for a ribbon wave effect that is very trendy right now. Feel free to experiment with your creative ideas. Polka dots, little hearts, or different lines would look awesome with this technique as well. Cure for 30 seconds in a Rossi LED nail lamp. Time for the magical moment. Saturate a lint-free pad with some alcohol and start wiping the nail. You will notice the white background starts to reappear again. This is so cool and satisfying. A true definition of trust the process. The last step is to protect the design and give it a shine. Apply Rossi gel top coat onto each nail. Cure for 60 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. Massage Rossi Nourish Cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. We recommend you use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Thanks for watching! Let us know in the comments if you're going to try this design yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!